Hey guys, I'm here with Damien. You know Damien, Orlando technician. So Damien and I were just replacing this ORP probe because the one that was there was getting 0 millivolts. And the probe we replaced, as well as the pH probe, are missing the little boot. And so I was showing him that this probe that we replaced, we wanted to go ahead and make sure that the boot was back in place to protect that BNC and make sure it doesn't rust, because it's really going to be a shame when this probe goes bad because it's just not receiving a good signal, or not able to transmit a good signal, even though the probe would still be good. And Damien saved the day. He's got an extra boot, so he's going to go ahead and put that on and hopefully help this probe last a little longer.
So one thing I'm sure you've all noticed in this video is the extension cord running to the controller, and actually not even an extension cord running to the controller, but an extension cord that's been hardwired into the controller, which is what we're playing with right now in the video. This is completely unacceptable. In this case, that employee was told to do this by a manager, but it's completely unacceptable. And if you guys run into this anywhere, you need to notify dispatch right away. CC me on the email at kmccauley@bullshare.com, and we'll get it fixed up. But this is a pretty big fire hazard, and it undoes all the listing and safety stuff that we've done to make sure this is a safe device for our customers.
Just flip that end off and we'll play good. Sweet.